Hi everybody! It feels like it has been forever because it kind of has been forever, to be honest, since I've just sat down here and took some time to play with some makeup. Oh, sorry, I think I might be shaking things a little bit on the camera. But today I wanted to bring to you another makeup mystery unboxing kind of situation. This is with the lovely Suva Beauty. Now, do I have any of my Suva Beauty liners handy? Hold on, let's see here. So, from Suva Beauty, I originally purchased their Fanny Pack Green, Grape Soda, and Scrunchy Hydra liners. I really enjoy this product. I think it's super fun. It just is really, I think, helps you get you out of your comfort zone to try other things, try fun, just really interesting, fun things. So I really was excited because I got an email from them saying, hey, we have a little mystery box coming out, $40, $200 worth of product. And I was like, yeah, okay, that sounds up my alley. But I definitely just want to try some more products from them. I do also have a couple of kind of liquid lipsticks from them that I have gotten through Tribe Beauty Box, both of which I did enjoy. I'm just not a huge like matte liquid lipstick kind of girl. But yeah, I'm excited to see what we got in this little mystery box. So this box on the outside, I obviously like ripped off my info, but it says, we make rainbows jealous. It's pretty cute. So opening it up here, it says, Suva Beauty, we make rainbows jealous. Really very cute. And it kind of gives you some pro tips on how you can mix all of the liners. Now, something I definitely suggest, which I actually got from Glam Vice, which is a different brand that has cake liners, is this lovely metal palette. Something like this really works out beautifully when you are trying to do some of this mixing stuff here. Just because you don't want to kind of mix within your actual potted liner, just because you want to keep it as true to color as you possibly can. So with that, we have a little bit, some more kind of little cards here, lots of cards. One thing I did buy just kind of separately that I wanted to try out was the Suva Beauty, I forget the name of the palette, it is called Toppers, and they are just kind of some shiny topper sort of shadows. Really beautiful kind of iridescent packaging. This is not part of the $40 grab bag, surprise thing. This was just Ashley wanting to pick this up. Definitely an interesting texture on these. Really, kind of, it kind of looks like pebbly, I guess, on the surface. They are kind of soft to the touch when you rub on there, but that certainly looks pretty. I would be happy having something like this all over my lid, or even using that as a highlight. I certainly wouldn't mind. But you can kind of see here the toppers are organized in a fashion where daiquiri has a bit of like a pink tint, lemon drop has a little bit of a yellow, cotton candy blue, and then mojito green. So I think if you use within those color schemes, more of that color probably pops. But sometimes you can get really pretty effects, I think, if you put it over colors that you wouldn't think. So if I have any of these products already, I'm probably going to end up giving them away, just because why have duplicates of things? It's just not really needed. Okay, so, interesting. I am not a super fake lash kind of girl, but I see a lot of fake lashes here. Or not lashes, fake nail. These are called die cuts. Oh, but that's really cool. Ooh, I do really like that. Application, remove all polish and oils from nail bed. Trim and fine nails, push back cuticles. Select correct size die cuts for each finger, set them aside. Align the die cut, press down firmly, hold for 10 to 8 seconds. You can customize your shape, removal. Never force or peel die cuts off. To remove soak nails in warm soapy water for 10 minutes until you feel the nails lift. Your nails should easily pop off about 10 minutes after. Okay, so I mean, this could just be really fun. There's quite a lot in here. I really like this kind of like, it's not holographic, almost like oily slick. That one is called, what is this called? I don't know, do these have, I don't know, this is in the yellow packaging. I don't know if this is in the purple packaging. I don't see like a name specifically for this one, but kind of has colored French tips. Then here we have two other ones. So they definitely, I'm assuming these probably didn't sell too well and that's why they're in here. Then I have kind of matte hot pink ones in this blue container. And then these would have been really pretty for Easter. Kind of like an gradient of pastel sort of colors. Still my favorite 100% are these. I'm just not a huge like fake lash, or why do I keep calling them lashes? Help me. I'm not a huge just like fake nail kind of person, although I am tempted to try these ones. These ones really speak to me. So maybe I'll give these other ones away or see if any of my friends are interested in something like this. It is kind of nice that it seems like the removal process is pretty easy, but I just think someone like me, I don't know how practical this is. Like I type on a computer all day, so I don't know. Let's see what else we got in here. Saffron. So this was a palette I know was in the Tribe beauty boxes. I don't think I got this one. I got one of the other palettes, so I do not have this one. Oh, and I am just like ripping off my nail polish as I'm trying to get in here. Too funny. I could always try a tweezer, couldn't I? Let me get this box open so we can see. I remember reading about this palette though. It kind of is based off of different, the shades are based off of different spices. Saffron, obviously. Ooh, yes. So we have coriander, saffron, cinnamon, ginger, turmeric, paprika, star anise, sarsaparilla? I don't know that one, and clove. So very neutral, heavy kind of shades here, but this actually be a really pretty fall palette. Yeah, not mad at it. This is probably very wearable. I could use this for work probably quite a lot, although I already showed up to work with hot pink eyeshadow one day, so that was pretty fun. This is their Moisture Matte Lipstick. I don't think I have this color, which is nice. This is in Bad Nam. It looks like it's probably a brown shade. Ooh, a nice nudie brown. I've actually kind of wanted more of a brownie nude, so I'm excited to have this in my collection. Just because I don't have super brown nude sort of shades for my lips. So I'm very happy about that. Then we have a brush in here. This is the 180. Oops, the top kind of popped right off. And this I would probably use as like a highlight, although it's pretty dense for a highlighter brush. And it even feels dense for under the eye. So I'm not 100% sure. I guess you could probably graze highlight with this, but it's a little dense for me. I feel the quality of the brush feels nice, so that's cool. I'm happy about that, but I'm just not 100% sure where I would actually use this on my face, but I am assuming I will probably get most use out of this as a highlighter brush. But like I was saying, I usually like something that's a bit more tapered, kind of a little bit more light feathery, where this is a little bit more dense, all kind of packed almost at the same height as well. All right, then, oh wow, we have more of their liquid lips. Now I wonder if I have either of these, Awakening and Dreamer. I guess I'll be getting a lot of use out of liquid lips. This is a really pale, this is like paler than my natural lip color, but this could also work. There's always a time and place for something like that. Really pale, kind of pinky shade. And then this one, Dreamer, looks a hair darker. Let's see here. Yeah, this is very just kind of corally pink. Pretty for summer, I think. All right, then a bunch of these UV lights, which I know I have some already from them, so it's kind of silly, like I don't know why anybody would need 4 of them, but there's 4. Then I have here At least I got a Hydro Effects. This is in Dance Party, so this is their bright yellow shade, so I'm glad I don't have this one yet, although I do have a yellow from, what's the brand that I was talking about? Glam Vice. So I'm interested to see how different those are, and this is their newer version of it, because they have on here kind of that, what is that called? Preston. Oh, there's a word for this. What is it called? Stamped in. No, embossed. Is it embossed? Whatever. You can see that it has plus and a little watermark. Those are their newer ones then. But let me see if I have the... Do I have the Glam Vice one anywhere? Oh, I found my one from Glam Vice. And the Glam Vice one looks to be a bit more bright. They're close. Well, actually, now that I look at them, they look pretty identical. Maybe even Suva looks a bit more bright, but I do have kind of some other color within there. Interesting. But I guess I won't be running out of yellow anytime soon. All right, and then lastly, kind of sad, a little disappointed here. This is the Suva UV Flashlight. Like, do you really need to send a flashlight along with 4 little lights? Like, come on. I don't know. I mean, fine. Wait, is it even functional? Hello? Oh my gosh, do you have to add batteries? So that's kind of annoying. Yeah, so you have to add batteries to this. Okay, well, bummer. Like, I don't really think I'll be putting batteries into this just so that I can have really strong UV light. Like, don't quite know the point of that. I can very easily get enough from one of these for like a picture, so So yeah, I'm underwhelmed by this mystery box, I must say. If you don't like liquid lips, then you wouldn't be happy getting 3 liquid lips. If you don't like fake nails, you wouldn't be happy getting 4 fake nails. Oh, I missed out on one of the UV liners, and this is one that I already have. So it looks like they gave me 2 UV liners, which was nice. This is scrunchy. I already have this. I'll definitely give this to a friend. And they sent a 650 brush. I did end up getting all their brushes originally for their liners. I'm always happy to get a new or another liner brush. You can never have too many, in my opinion, of these kind of little detail brushes when you're doing work like this. So, I mean, I'm happy to at least have 2, you know, of the Hydro Effects liners. I forget how much those run you. I think maybe it's like $10 or something. And this does seem like a really nice brush. So I am very happy about this brush. The weight on this though is very, very light. This is very kind of feathery comparatively to this. This is super dense and heavy, and they definitely are made out of different kind of plastic or material. But yeah, I am not super thrilled with this. I have the yellow. I guess I'm happy about the yellow. I'm not overjoyed. I'm just kind of okay about this palette. It's a neutral palette. I'm not upset with neutral palettes, but just, you know, it's a shame that they couldn't provide something like really fun, like something like this, or one of their other brighter palettes, or something like that. This definitely, and I get it, like mystery boxes are one of those things where, yeah, it's a mystery, you don't know what you're getting, but this feels very, we are really trying to get rid of things. But I am happy with 2 of the liners in here. What else am I happy with? This little brush. Yeah, that I would not pay $40 for. So I'm not sure, guys. I usually am pretty happy with kind of mystery boxes and that sort of thing, but this one was a little underwhelming for me. Truly was just a little So yeah, maybe I saved you 40 bucks here if, but however, if you love fake nails and you love yourself with some liquid lips, I definitely think that is a great price for them, because really that's, how many products did I get here? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 things, plus kind of like these UV items. I guess we'll clump them together as 12. So that's like $3 an item, right? Is that math correct? It's like 36-ish. A little more than $3 a thing. But I wouldn't ever pay like $3 for this, so that doesn't really count. Maybe like $4 an item. So, you know, that makes me feel a little bit better about this choice. But still, if you don't really need liquid lips, probably don't get this. If you don't really need fake nails, probably don't get this. And I would assume the colors of the liners probably change, but I don't know. Maybe these ones they have lots of extras of. Who knows? But I am going to kind of play around here and put something on. I don't know if I'm going to use the yellow. I would love to kind of maybe utilize this Toppers palette, and maybe do something with like a lime green or something, because yeah, I'm a little underwhelmed with this, but I want to create a fun little look. And yeah, I'll bring you back in once that's kind of created, in case you're interested to see what I made. All right, everyone, so I wanted to just do a quick little, hey, this is the look I created kind of thing. So I did end up using this Dance Party cake liner, UV liner, whatever Suva likes to call them, but I kind of did a gradient wing going into green, kind of mixed it to create this nice muddied mustardy color. I'm going for some, oh, hopefully my 20% on my battery came up, but I'm going for my, you know, 80s rocker fantasy tonight, right? But I also used all the glitz and glitter on my eyes, is this Topper palette, which was not part of the thing. Honestly, if you're interested in that, I would just purchase this. I think it was even half off. I'm pretty sure it was only like 15 bucks or something. But I mixed Lemon Drop and Mojito, the yellow and the green color, to kind of get more of that mustardy-ness to everything. And yeah, I wasn't like in love with the look, but I'm starting to really feel it now, you know, really get into it, really get the hair high, make it a moment. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Hopefully that video may have helped you, or you found it interesting. If you were looking into getting the mystery box kit thing for $40, yeah. If you want fake nails and you want some liquid lips, I'd say go for it. If not, just purchase what you want to purchase. Yeah, that's what I gotta say. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for being here, and wherever you are and whatever you may be doing, I hope you're able to do something you love every single day. I will see you on the next one. Bye.